Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I would love to review this makeup bag, and it's also an organizer for cosmetics and brushes. But this was a free sample from Wandering Nature, so thank you, Wandering Nature, for the sample. So this is how it looks. Mine is color beige, as you can see. So it has a pocket here that you can use. It's very spacious. Here I'm just demonstrating it like how it looks with the brushes. So it has this plastic in case you wash them and you don't want the makeup to get wet. So this is super useful. This is how it looks in the bag. Like it has 6 cords that will keep your makeup in place. Like for example, your foundation, you can put it in here. Here in this extra, your foundation, you can put it in here. Here it has an extra pocket. So let's say I will put my powder. You can put these things here, and you can put, like for example, your lipsticks, you can put them in here. It's very spacious, and it's great if you travel. You can take this in your carry-on, or you can take it to your job. It has here extra 2 pockets. Let me see if I can demonstrate it by putting this here, for example. You can put this here. Is super useful, and it's going to keep your brushes not only clean but also organized. Your makeup, everything is going to be organized. I love the color. It's made of vegan leather, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.